Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll run through how to set up the 0563-0104 Waterproof Folding Thermometer. The first step is to install the two included AAA batteries. To do so, you'll need a small screwdriver. Turn the device over and locate the single screw on the battery compartment cover. Unscrew and remove the cover. Then install the batteries. There are two further things to note in this area. The first is the temperature scale switch. Here you can adjust between Celsius, Fahrenheit and Rankine temperature scales. The second is the label area. This is located on the underside of the battery door. Here you can insert the included coloured tabs or make your own label for the instrument. This is particularly useful for allocating the instrument to an individual or for differentiating thermometers in certain areas of your workplace. Once the batteries are installed, temperature scale has been selected and the device is labelled, screw the battery door back into place. To switch the instrument on, open the immersion penetration probe. And to switch the instrument off, close the immersion penetration probe. The probe is a solid design with a pointed tip to aid in penetrating semi-solid materials. The probe must be inserted to a minimum depth of 23 mm for correct readings. To hold a reading on the screen, press the hold button on the top of the device. This will freeze the current reading on the screen. Press the button a second time to return to measurement mode. Hold and auto hold values are stored in the device's memory as minimum and maximum values. To access the minimum and maximum values, press the hold button once and then hold down the hold button again. The maximum reading will appear on the LCD. Pressing a second time will display the minimum value. And pressing one more time returns to measurement mode. To change the measurement mode between automatic or manual hold, start with the device switched off. Enter the configuration mode by opening the immersion penetration probe while holding down the hold button. Depending on the pre-configured settings, either hold or auto hold is shown. Press the button on the top of the device to select between the two settings, then to confirm, press no key for a few seconds and the device will automatically return to measurement mode. For more information on this meter, see the link to the Instrument Choice product page in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.